You'll need 2 pounds of whitefish for this recipe, like cod, haddock, or tilapia. You'll also need crumbs for breading. Cornflake crumbs, gluten-free pretzel crumbs, potato chip crumbs all make excellent breading options. I'm using a combination of gluten-free pretzel and potato chip crumbs. You'll also need oat bran, or you can process oats in a food processor, along with eggs, mayonnaise, fresh lemon juice, parsley, salt and pepper, and oil for frying. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and place your fish in a baking dish sprayed with baking spray. Bake around 20 minutes or until the fish flakes easily. Place the fish on a plate lined with paper towels and pat dry. Then set it aside to cool. In a mixing bowl, combine the eggs, mayo, lemon juice, parsley, salt, and pepper. Mix this well. Then add your fish along with the oats. Your fish should be cool or just slightly warm. If it's too hot, it will start to cook the eggs. Stir this just to combine. You don't want to overmix it. Add oil to a skillet and heat it over medium heat. Add the breading to the plate little by little as you need it. Use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to make your patties, trying not to pack the fish into the measuring cup and trying not to overhandle the patties. What we're after are flaky fish cakes. Then cook the patties in your preheated skillet 4 to 5 minutes each side. I hope you enjoy these wonderful kid-friendly fish cakes as much as we do. Thanks for watching. Please hit the cupcake to subscribe and hit the playlist button to find all of my recipes sorted by category.